So hi guys, now we're on our activity regarding with the SOP where it can allow the user to scan for any vulnerabilities of the sites that they want to check. Now, I want to attack of course this again, Alturo, since this is a test fire. So it is also for testing, for checking for the vulnerabilities. So this is really intended for these types of things to check the problems and the errors. Now, the first thing that we need to do is that we need to click and copy the link of it now, and this we will attack it. Okay, so let's just wait for it. Yeah. Anyways, I also click the automated scan. We have two options, which is the automated and the manual scan. So I click the automated for, of course, the easier part, which will attack it automatically. Now, as you can see, it is scanning for some types of errors inside that website. So let's just wait for it. Okay, now we have our alerts here, which is here. As we can see, we have our alerts now. So the problems here is, so the good thing about Zap anyways is that they will show the description of the problem. Now maybe let's just check for the um brief description. So it has no anti-CRF tokens were found in a HTML submission form. And a cross-site request forgery is an attack that involves forcing victim to send an HTTP request to target destination without their knowledge or intent in order to perform an action as the victim in their line CRF attack. Okay. So this is also related to our activity a while ago since it shows the problems. Now, here are the solutions. So face architecture and design use a vetted library or framework that does not allow this weakness to occur or provide constructs that makes this weakness easier to avoid. For example, use anti-CRS packages such as OWASP's CSRF guard. So we also have the references here where we can check um, the website showing the um, citations of it. So those are the good things about it. Now, on our second alert, we have content security policies. CSP is another layer of it helps detect the description. So investigate the types of attacking links XSS with injection attacks. Okay, so content security policy CSP is another layer of security that helps to detect and mitigate types of attacks, including cross-site scripting or XSS. As you can see, and data injections. These attacks are used for everything from data theft to seed, defacement, or distribution of malware. CSP provides a set of standard HTTP headers that allow website owners to declare approved sources of content or should be allowed on that page. Covered types are the, so as you can see the data injection types, which what we just did on our laboratory number 2, where it showed, I mean no, case study 1, where we can attack it using data injections. So the solution that we have is ensure that your web server, application server, load balancer, etc. is configured to set the content security policy header. And then missing anti-click jacking header. The response does not protect against click jacking attacks. It should be include either content policy. choo, choo. So again, we have our solution here, which is the modern website. Browser support, the content security, X-frame, headers, and ensure one of them is set on all web pages returned by your site or app. And these are the mm, medium. No, it's low. Low risks or problems. So a cookie has been set without the same site attribute, which means that the cookie can be sent as a result or a cross-site request. Okay, so these are all the other problems or the risks that we have. So basically, after attacking the website, after linking and pasting the HTTP or the link of the website, it will check and attack it, checking all the vulnerabilities of it, and it will show us the alerts. So I think we have four, if I'm not wrong, or maybe five. I think we have high level of risks, and then I don't know if we have very high type of level, but we have the ones that I'm sure is the red flag, which is the high level, and then we have the medium risks for the orange, and then we have the low risks for the yellow flag, and then for the blue flag we have the informational. So basically, it just talks about the added added mm, advice for adjustments. So the response appears to contain suspicious comments which may help an attacker note not just me. So here says that there is a problem where the comments can help an attacker. So remove all comments that return information that may help an attacker and fix an underlying they refer to. So basically the blue flags are just informational, just like it says here, which gives us advice on what we should do to make sure that the attacks or malicious attacks will be prevented. So that is all for the ZAP activity.